What would I use to reskin an outer door of an RV? That really depends on what you mean by reskinning the door. Reskinning a door usually means taking off or replacing the outer layer of the door. But I've heard this term used when they mean like refacing it or giving an update. So if you're reskinning the door, say with aluminum, you can order the piece of aluminum or buy one the same size and then just cut it with a metal grinder. Most of the doors are put together with just like a few screws. Now refacing is completely different. If I were redoing it, it really depends on the design and the aesthetic of the RV or the camper that I'm renovating. You can reskin or reface the door with a bunch of different materials. So you can use aluminum, you can also use real wood, you can stain it, or you can just primer it and then just paint it with an oil-based or acrylic paint. You can also create your own artwork, do like a stencil, order new decals. It really depends. There's no definitive answer for this one. With doors, both exterior and interior, especially on campers and RVs, I love to go crazy. You can get super creative and super artistic with it. So make it a showpiece.